Today we're diving into Warren Buffett's latest $2.6 billion investment spree. You know, the guy's a legend, the Oracle of Omaha, and when he makes moves like this, everyone on Wall Street sits up and takes notice. We're going to break down each of his big bets, see what he's buying, and more importantly, why he might be buying it. Is he seeing value where others aren't? Is he making a play for the long term? We're going to find out. First up, we've got Occidental Petroleum. Now, Buffett's been bullish on oil for a while, and this move just cements it. Occidental's a big player in the energy sector, and they're particularly well positioned in the Permian Basin, which is like the oil gold mine of the US. But here's the thing, oil prices are volatile, right? They go up, they go down, it's like a roller coaster at Six Flags. So, is Buffett making a risky bet here? Well, not necessarily. See, Buffett's a long-term investor. He's thinking years, even decades down the line. Plus, Occidental's been doing a good job of paying down debt and increasing production. Is this a guaranteed home run? No investment ever is. But it's a calculated risk on a company with a strong position in a growing market. Next up, we've got Verisign, and this one's a little different. You might not have heard of Verisign, but you use their services every single day. They're basically the internet's security guard. They manage the infrastructure that makes sure your online transactions are safe and secure. This is classic Buffett. He loves businesses with a strong moat, and Verisign's moat is as wide as the Grand Canyon. They're essential to the internet as we know it. No matter what happens with the economy, people are going to keep using the internet, and as long as they do, Verisign's going to be there, collecting their cut. Okay, this one might seem a little out of left field, but Buffett's loading up on Domino's Pizza. Now, you might think of Domino's as just another pizza joint, but they're actually a technology company disguised as a restaurant chain. They've been way ahead of the curve on online ordering, delivery optimization, and even using things like AI to improve their operations. Plus, they've got a global brand presence and a loyal customer base. This isn't just about selling pizzas. It's about owning a slice of the global food delivery market, which is only getting bigger. Alright, let's dive into Pool Corp, a company that's all about making a splash, literally. With temperatures rising and more people staying home, the demand for pools has gone through the roof. And guess who supplies all those pool builders and owners? You got it, Pool Corp. They're the biggest distributor of pool supplies and equipment in the world. It's a surprisingly recession-resistant business. People might cut back on vacations or eating out, but they're still going to want to keep their pool clean and swimmable, especially in those scorching summer months. This isn't a sexy tech company, but it's a solid, well-managed business with a strong track record of profitability. Now let's talk about SiriusXM, the satellite radio giant. This one's interesting because the whole audio landscape is changing so rapidly. They've still got a massive subscriber base, and they're the go-to choice for people who want access to live sports, exclusive talk shows, and ad-free music, all in their car. Buffett's clearly betting that SiriusXM can adapt to the changing times and leverage their existing strengths to compete in the future of audio. It's a bit of a contrarian play, but hey, that's what Buffett's known for. Last but not least, we've got Constellation Brands, the alcoholic beverage giant. Now, you might not recognize the name, but you've definitely heard of their brands. Corona, Modelo, Robert Mondavi wines. They've got a huge portfolio of popular drinks, and people are always going to, enjoy a cold one or a glass of wine no matter what the economy's doing. This is a classic consumer staples play. Plus, they've been really smart about diversifying their portfolio, getting into areas like craft beer and premium spirits, which are growing segments of the market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Warren Buffett's latest investments, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time. But before you go, remember, investing isn't about blindly copying what the pros are doing. It's about understanding the principles behind those decisions and applying them to your own unique situation. Do your own research, be patient, and don't be afraid to be a little different.